Hey YouTube, I just had a user ask me for a more in-depth way of how to configure SynergyKM for Windows Vista, Mac OS X Leopard, and Windows XP. I don't have a XP computer in here and I'm not going to take the time to move it, but it's going to be pretty much the same concept as the Vista computer, so I'll just do it twice for Vista, and I'm sure you'll get the hang of it after the first time. So what I'm going to do, because it's so much easier, is I'm going to share the Mac's keyboard and mouse. And that is the easiest way to configure Synergy. The first thing we need to do is we need to get some information from our Mac. So go ahead and open up System Preferences and have a pen and paper ready. And go ahead and click Network. We're going to get our local IP address. So let me zoom in for you. So go ahead and write down your local IP address. In my case, my local IP is 10.0.1.198, so write down the one you have there. And go ahead and click Show All. Now the second thing we need to do is go to Sharing. And up here it says that our computer's name is Patricks-MacBook.local. Just write down the name, don't write the .local part down, just the name. And go ahead and click Show All. Now we want to go down here to SynergyKM, and because I already have a location set up, I'm just going to create a new location. And OK. And when you create a new location, you'll probably be at this screen right here, which isn't what we want. We want to be at this screen. So go ahead and click the General to get there, and click Share My Keyboard and Mouse, and click Apply Now. Now go up to the server configuration and go down to the plus button, and we're going to add our Mac first. So our Mac server is Patricks-MacBook, and click Apply. Now we want to go over to our PC and get some information. So moving over to the PC, go ahead and open up SynergyKM over there. Or Synergy, not SynergyKM, excuse me. And it will look somewhat like this. So, because we're sharing the Mac's keyboard and mouse, we want to have the top bubble checked, use another computer's keyboard and mouse as the client. So, remember the local IP address that we typed in for the Mac, or figured out for the Mac? Go ahead and enter that here. So, in my case, 10.0.1.199, and now we need to figure out what this computer's name is. So go ahead and click the info button, and the host name for this computer is Patrick-PC, so go ahead and write that down. And now go over to your Mac again, and we're going to want to set up the server for the PC. So click the plus button and type in the PC's name, so Patrick-PC, and click Apply. Now as you can see, the way I have my setup configured, the PC is over here and the Mac is over here, so we want to just drag that way when we move our cursor off the screen it will work better. And click Apply Now. Go back to the General tab and click Turn Synergy On. Now go to our PC and click the Start button. So start. Fail. Oh, I see, I made a mistake. My computer's local IP address for the MacBook is, I entered a wrong IP address. I messed up typing it. My IP address is actually 198. So make sure you get that right or else it won't work. And now click the Start button. And it says it is successfully started. So go ahead and click OK. Using the PC's keyboard, or the PC's mouse. Now if I go back over here, I need to zoom out. Zooming doesn't really work on this, so just keep that in mind while using this. So here's the cursor right there. right here. Go ahead and follow it, and if all worked well, the cursor is down there now. Go ahead and follow it back. And because my monitors are different resolutions, it's sort of glitchy, but it doesn't go over to the exact spot, but I can successfully move this back and forth. Now, the user said he wanted to also configure one for Windows XP. So we're pretty much going to want to do the same exact thing. Go to server configuration, click the plus button, and figure out what that computer's name is. Enter the name, click apply, then click start on that computer, and if all works well, you should be able to have your Mac here in the center and either PC on the side. So hopefully you found this helpful, and thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe because I did this video just for you. You know who you are. So thank you.